Let me show y'all another way to press these Clack fans, because some of you are still having trouble with ghosting, etc. And there is another way to press them. So let's get into it and let me show you another thing that I do. And I only do it for certain fans based on what it looks like in the middle. So here is my 0.2-inch foam that I got from Joann Fabrics. And here is my eucalyptus board that I got from the Home Depot for $14.95. It is already pre-cut. You do not have to ask for a specific size. So you just print your design out the size that you need for your fan. Now let me show you what my foam actually looks like for me pressing fans. So you see all that ink there? That's because I have the cheap butcher paper from Joann Fabrics. But what I do is I put a black t-shirt on top, the same black shirt I've been using that I cut, so that it doesn't bleed back through when I'm pressing my fan. So just cut out your fan design that you printed out, however you want to print it. I mean, if you had to spice it up, I already have a video on that pinned to the top of my page. So I just cut it out. And then I use my cutout to measure the size of butcher paper that I need. So I take my butcher paper roll, just put it right on top there, and cut the size that I need. Super easy. I am not going to pre-press the fan fabric because I don't do that unless there's wrinkles anymore. So once you put it down there, put your fan fabric on top, and I just put about 5 pieces of tape. You'll see the position once I put the fan fabric there. So there's my 5 pieces of tape, 2 on the bottom, 1 on top, 2 on the sides. So now here's the trick. What we're going to do is start pressing the design from the middle. We're going to do 3 presses, not 2 presses, but 3. 1 in the middle and 1 on each side. So I have my heat press set to 385 degrees for 60 seconds. Now, when you're moving your design, or when you're moving your fan, you are moving the butcher paper. You are not moving the board. It's very easy to just slide it. I don't even pull the drawer back out until I am finished. You'll see me pulling it over now to do the other side. And this is also good for those of you who have like an overlapping line and you don't want it to be right in the middle. So, and you're not even going to be able to tell I pressed this in 3 sections. So here's my last section. And now let me show you what it looks like when I take it out and take the tape off. And wait till I turn it around. So in some spots you'll see it will seem like it looks darker, but it really isn't once you take it off. I don't always do this, but I do it when there is a lot of wording or a special design in the middle of my fan. So check it out, guys. You can't tell. You can't tell that I pressed this in 3 sections. And there you have it. Happy crafting.